Here's what's new in aXcelerate. Classes now support additional trainers. You can assign multiple trainer users to a class, which will determine who can access it. This provides you with greater class accessibility control. Learners can now access their academic transcript directly through their learner portal. This makes it easier for them to view a summary of what they've achieved during their learning experience. We've also updated styles and added support for e-learning and assessment results. When enrolling multiple learners into an accredited workshop, credit transfers will now be individually applied to each learner based on their previous experience. Several new Class Enrolment Status Qualifiers have been added. These new statuses are mainly aimed at helping to better support enrollments for international learners. You can read the full release notes from the link in the description below.